Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, May 4th to Friday, May 9th. Going to be breaking down my 5 main pairs I trade with gold, oil, and S&P 500, NAS, and US 30. So to start, let's start with the DXY. DXY from the previous week going into this one, weekly time frame is obviously bearish. Daily structure is still bearish as well. Right, looking at our H3, it looks like we have bullish order flow within daily bearish structure. Start us off with GJ. GJ from the previous week going into this one, you see price is still rejecting from that weekly and daily area of supply, right? Rejecting off that daily order block within a weekly area of supply. Overall, GJ is in a range, so I wouldn't be looking to trade unless I'm taking it from the very highs or bottoms. GU, more clear price action than GJ, but still rejecting from that daily area of supply that I had labeled, right? Looking like price is looking to break that area, but also is still holding structure on the H3 time frame. H3 has been in a range, but overall on the daily, more clear price action, right? That last valid daily lower, that daily demand area with that daily buy order block, prices respecting that area while still ranging from that daily area of supply. So not really a clear price action as to where it can go. It could either break it, go to the downside, or reject from that area, open, right? Since that when the market opens on Sunday, could obviously it's going to be with this candle closing, buyers could come in, take this to the upside, maybe break out of that daily demand area or come to that supply area and then sell off and then take that area out. Go either way. EU from the previous week going into this one, prices came off rejecting from that weekly area of supply last week or the week before, right? H3 overall bearish order flow within a daily range, kind of similar price action to GU. Odd USD, similar price action as well. Just all prices just either rejecting or coming off a daily area of supply for the last three pairs with a base USD currency as its second base, right? So just obviously everything's just ranging. You want to just take it from the very tops or bottoms. If you are trading, me personally, I don't trade ranges unless it's very clean price action on the lower time frame. UJ, price is coming off that weekly area of demand and going to the upside. Looking at our H3 time frame, bullish order flow, right? Last valid H3 lower high that led into that lower low. Price came, rejected, and followed through from that area. Came back to the downside again for overall going to the upside. So obviously H3 bullish order flow. Daily structure is still bearish since this would be the last valid daily lower high that went into this lower low. And anything going on in between these two areas is just market movement. So yes, we have H3 bullish order flow, but overall within a daily bearish structure or a daily net short order book, you could call it. Gold, previous week going into this one, gold has been going nowhere but up, right? Weekly time frame is bullish, right? Daily time frame is still bullish as well. H3 bearish order flow within daily bullish structure, kind of opposite to what the other pair I just broke down was with UJ, but overall, price is going nowhere but up. WTI COUSD, looking at a weekly time frame, prices respecting that weekly fair value gap, came back to the 50% area before coming back to the upside, making a new lower high that could be a new low. Right, H3 bearish order flow, daily bearish structure. Similar price action to Brent crude oil, so I'm not going to break that pair down. It's very similar, if not the same. NAS coming off that weekly fair value gap I had leveled right here, right? H3 bullish order flow. Daily bearish structure, right? Last valid daily lower high that went to that lower low. Anything in between these areas is just price action movement. So H3 bullish order flow within daily bearish structure. Similar price action to NAS, so I'm not going to break that down. Very similar, if not the exact same. Bullish order flow within daily bearish structure. US 30, literally the exact same thing, coming off a weekly fair value gap. Right, daily structure is still bearish. Last valid daily lower high right here, going into the lower low. H3 bullish order flow within daily bearish structure. So let's see what happens going into next week. That's all for my weekly breakdown. Have a good